Hi guys, this is Winnie from Awesome KWE Kids. Me, Winnie. Oh, stop, kids, you big poop. Ah!
Oopsie, wait.
Here you go. She has a big pink poop. What do you need? Do you need that?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so we went to Five Below, and I got this
Oh, it's 5 below though.
flip.
I got this from 5 below.
Okay, I'll show it in just a second. And I got this fart sound making, goo, and this big cute doggy poster. And that's all I got.
Show 'em what I got.
So she got that big pink poo, and it's gross, and a JoJo Siwa poster, and
I also got a stool from Ikea.
yeah, and I got a stool, and Ikea's food was so good, and it was so good that it gave me a stain.
This is what Doc got.
See the big stain?
This is what Doc got.
Yeah.
I got this thingy.
Let's show
And
it.
got the headphones. And a book. Or wait, no, that's just the headphones box.
So that's what he got.
See, 5 below.
And yeah, Five Below. And so kids
Black 'em.
got that poop
A long time ago.
head pillow. It like you put it around your head.
It's in that
Here,
pillow.
I'll show you mine, but I didn't get this from Five Below. This is
That one's from Menards.
this one is from Menards. That's how it goes. See, it's just not poop because it's from Menards. Menards is appropriate. Poop is not. It's inappropriate. So, and baby Emerson just sleeping over there. And let's show Kit. Show Kit. Me. Sure.
But the more the better for that.
I'm back on.
Kit. And we are almost about home. Emerson is sleeping. He's tired boy. Very tired.
Okay, can I have it back now?
See, we're on the car. In the car because I've got my seatbelt on. Thank you. I think it's been 2 minutes and 50 something seconds. So we gotta wrap it up. Wrap it up. Okay, so bye. Stay awesome. Ooh, wait. What was that? I didn't see. Okay. Remember, stay awesome, big stay. Stay awesome, kids. I'm a kid. Oh, right. Stay awesome, please. And Emerson, let's tell them to say bye. Bye-bye. Remember to stay awesome. See what she says? Kid?
Bye, remember to stay awesome, kids. Bye.
Okay, wrap it up.
It's been
Mom
like
and
3
Doc
minutes,
say.
Winnie.
Okay.